Hey guys, Trevin here, Gear Shift Garage, and we are in Johnson Valley, California, attending King of the Hammers. And we broke some stuff on the truck, we broke some stuff on the side-by-side, and we stumbled upon the land of Oz. Out in the middle of nowhere, this little oasis welcomes people who need parts, need a shop, need to weld, need to fabricate, need water, pretty much need anything. You can come here and get it. Let me show you how the water box works. Come here. So if you don't feel like hauling water, you can come here with about 36 hours notice and you'll get access to this water tank, and it's pretty cool. So you just take these clamps that she leaves out for you, hook them straight to your battery, and you have fresh water. So when you get here, the first thing you'll notice is all kinds of odd projects and pieces of equipment and trucks and buggies and all kinds of crazy stuff. Everywhere you look around here, you'll see something interesting. Old car parts, scrap metal, things most people would toss. Merri turns them into something worth looking at. It's all over the property, from welded creatures to sculptures built from the same parts that keep us moving on the road. Some of this stuff tells a story, some of it's just cool to look at, but either way, it makes this place one of a kind. And stockpiles of other parts to make more sculptures. What could have made its way to the scrap pile actually was used to fix my truck. My truck exhaust broke. Actually, the side-by-side flags broke first, and somehow found out about this place, came down here. She was gracious enough to let us use the workshop, weld on some new tabs, and fix the side-by-side, and then realized that my truck was having some issues. Well, we have to drive all the way back to Montana, and so we got everything fixed. She opened up her shop to us, and everything in it, just kind of fend for yourself. And as I'm working, it's hard not to look at the car being built here in the corner and the blueprints and things and all the scribbling that's going on and all the work that's being done in here.
You have a four-legged co-pilot? There's a safe and shaded dog kennel if you need a place for them while you work on your rig. And if you're looking for a quiet place to park, there's space here for that too. All you have to do is reach out and ask.
The Land of Oz isn't just a workshop, it's something Merri built for those who need a hand, especially during King of the Hammers. When rigs break, parts fail, and the desert takes its toll, this place is here to help you get back in the game. She's created a space where off-roaders, travelers, and racers can find what they need, whether it's a workspace, a part, or just a chance to regroup. Out here, things don't always go as planned, but thanks to Merri, help is never far away. Hard to believe that it's just one person out here building these wild crafts and this amazing looking buggy that I'm excited to come back for when it's all done so we can take a look.